Hey guys, it's Zoe. Just real quick, I bought new lights. I got the LED daylight 40-watt bulbs from Walmart. I'm going to be putting them in. This is my lighting now. Alright, and this is after. I'm kind of happy of how it turned out. It is a lot brighter and you can actually see, but I'm just so exhausted because my ceiling lamp won't, the glass part of it won't unscrew, and there's two good lights in there that I could put the daylight bulbs in. I don't know, let's see how it looks. No, that's just adding yellow light. Oh, that's white light. Wait, yellow? White. Okay, so I don't know. I guess let's try with it with the yellow lights on the ceiling. Okay, so my ceiling light doesn't work. This is my new lighting. I think it's gonna be a lot better and you can actually see what's on my face when I do makeup tutorials. I'm pissed off that I couldn't get the ceiling light. Okay, I'm back. I'm showered. I'm a little bit more relaxed. I'm not so agitated, but yeah, my bedroom mirror, my bedroom mirror doesn't work. I just look in the mirror and there's absolutely nothing there. Well, that does kind of make sense because, you know, me being dead inside. I'm a lot more calm and I'm ready to film a video. With new lights and a new arrangement, I thought I would give the Too Faced Chocolate Chip palette another go since the lights are white. Wait, oh, there we go. That's even better. Oh my gosh, now I'm not so sad. I thought I would give this another go since I have brighter lights. Sorry, my camera was dying. We're gonna give it another go. I think the problem was I used a white base instead of a concealer to prime my lids, so that might have been an issue as well. This time I'm gonna prime my eyes with a concealer. Okay, and another thing is I think I'm gonna be doing my lid color first and then I'll go in with my transition color. Okay, so on the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to be taking this shade, and I'm just going to be putting that in my inner corner. Okay, okay. Oh, and another thing, I don't know if you can hear in the background, but my husband is a teacher and he teaches online students who live in Asia. So if you hear stuff in the background, that's just him teaching. Alright, now I'm going to be taking this plum color and I'm going to be putting it on the rest of my lid. Alright. You can kind of tell a difference. It's a little bit pink and then it goes into white. I don't know if that's the lights or if that's the concealer that I used. Alright, we are now going to be going into the transition shade and I'm going to be using this color right there. Okay, I'm going to be going in with this tan color and I'm going to be putting that in my crease as well. Okay, so far you can tell a difference. The colors are a little bit more separated, like you can tell what's in my crease, what's on the outer lid, and then the inner lid. Okay, and I'm going to be taking this pink shade, and I'm going to put it in between the purple and the white on my lid, so like right there. You know, look at that. A lot of fallout. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but yeah, still a lot of fallout. On the outer corner, we're going to be using this to smoke it out. I'm literally just making the same look that I made in the original video. Okay, and then we're going to be taking it down our lash line. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking this tan color, and I'm going to be using that to kind of blend that black out so it's not so harsh. is literally the same look that I did in my previous video. I just wanted to see if maybe the lighting would have been different. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes and put lashes on. Alright, so here is the look with lashes and eyeliner on. It does look a lot better with the different lighting. As for the look, it's pretty plain Jane. This palette, I think you can only do very limited looks. When I put the eyeshadow on with the concealer, they did have a distinction and they did look different, but they're still very, very similar. Maybe if you were to mix this with a different palette it would work out, but all I can see you doing is glittery lid, this for your transition shade, and then smoke it out with the black sugar, and that's literally all you can do with this palette. Still, my review on it is just a pass on it. If you have a neutral palette, then I would just stay away from this because there's nothing too fancy about it. I'm really glad that I got to change up my lighting. Hopefully I'll be able to fix my room light so there'll be more light. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it if you subscribed and hit that notification bell. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.